Student gave birth and threw the baby in school pit latrine. And Zimlife says valiant rescue effort fails as the baby died on way to hospital. So this happened in the nation of Zimbabwe. We are trying to open this article so that we get to know which particular area is this one. So okay, let us take a look onto this report closely. So this is around Filabusi because the baby was taken to Filabusi District Hospital. Scan's a newborn baby died on way to hospital on Wednesday after being retrieved from a pit latrine at a school in Filabusi, Matabeleland South. Police said the child's mother is a student at Siwazi Secondary School in the Avoca, about 60 kilometers from Filabusi District Hospital. And the police are actually investigating a case of concealing birth which occurred at a secondary school on June 7. That is Assistant Ponyati who said, Assistant Commissioner Ponyati who said so. So it is reported that the baby was rescued using a sack and a wire by a police officer who was providing security services to Zimbabwe Electoral Commission officials who were at the school, which is used by a polling center during elections. A source said that the student asked the teacher for permission to go to the toilet, claiming that she was having period pains. She took long returning, and other students followed her to the Blair toilet. And they noticed rather that large blood stains, and their suspicions were aroused, and they reported the incident to the police officer who interviewed the student, triggering a desperate rescue effort. So it is said that the child was alive when retrieved but died while making the torturous trip to hospital on a poorly maintained dirty road. So they say that an A-level learner at Gomorefu High School in Marange was arrested after she delivered a baby at her lodgings and allegedly dumped the newborn in a pit latrine as well. So these cases are actually on the rise, and it's so sad that these things are happening. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. This is the report from Zim Live. A Form 4 student delivered a baby and threw the baby into a pit latrine, and the police are investigating the incident or the matter. This is it. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.